Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Virtue Otu, and on this channel I share videos on food and business. Kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that when I post new videos like this, you'll be informed. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this plantain puff puff recipe. As you can see, it is not oily, it's yummy. Can you see what the inside looks like? So delicious. You want to have a taste of this. Ginger, cinnamon powder, some dry pepper. Usually I mix the red dry pepper with Cameroon pepper for most of my recipes. You'll be needing baking powder, seasoning cube, flour, and some milk. This recipe is actually very easy. You'll start out by mashing your plantain. Make sure you mash it properly. Then you'll introduce the other ingredients. My dear subscribers and viewers, I hope you're all enjoying the content on my channel. Today I have something special to share with you, and it is a delicious and exclusive recipe for plantain puff puff that you won't find anywhere because I actually formulated this recipe by myself. This recipe is a labor of love, and I've put a lot of time and effort into perfecting it. It's a unique twist on this classic snack, and I can't wait for you to try it. As you know, creating high quality content takes a lot of time, energy, and resources, and by supporting my channel with a small fee of just 500 naira, not even up to $1, you can have access to this mouth-watering recipe, but also help me continue creating amazing content for you. This recipe is actually part of my masterclass recipes, but I'm sharing it with you today for just a token of 500 naira, and the link will be in the description box below. Kindly support my channel. I have created over 300 plus videos on this channel, free videos and recipes, and a lot of exciting things. So this is your way of just saying a super thanks or buying a super thanks for this channel. As you know, this channel is not monetized yet. Thank you. And the link will be in the description box. It will also be in the comments section. With this recipe, you'll be able to impress your family and friends with a delightful treat. You'll also have lifetime access to this recipe, so you can recreate it whenever you like. And by supporting my channel, you become a crucial part of this community, helping us to grow, helping us to create more amazing content. So if you're ready to enjoy this exclusive plantain puff puff recipe and support the channel you love, simply click the link below in the description box or in the comment section. Thank you once again, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to my channel, share my videos, like, comment. I would love to read from you. Thank you.